Welcome to Jeep Mud Master. Today, we're exploring the ultimate off-road and on-road adventure machine, the 2025 Rapido Dreamer motorhome. This isn't just a van, it's a fully equipped, rugged home on wheels designed to handle the toughest terrains without losing comfort. Finished in a striking vibrant black and white, its rugged long body sits on massive 4x4 all-terrain wheels that deliver both strength and style. Whether you're aiming for snowy mountain passes, coastal highways, or desert trails, the Rapido Dreamer delivers a perfect mix of luxury living and unstoppable performance. Stick around as we uncover every powerful detail of this travel beast. Exterior front view. In the company showroom, the front view of the Rapido Dreamer is a head-turner. The bold Rapido logo dominates the center grille, flanked by high-intensity LED matrix headlights that slice through the darkest nights. The front bumper features integrated fog lamps and skid plate protection for off-road adventures. Its sleek black and white finish reflects the showroom lights beautifully, while aerodynamic body lines improve performance and reduce wind noise. This isn't just an attractive motorhome, it's a visual promise of power and endurance. Topside view. From above, the Rapido Dreamer reveals how smart engineering meets modern living. The roof carries high-capacity solar plates capable of powering essential appliances without relying on camp hookups. A compact yet powerful satellite antenna ensures connectivity in remote zones, while the low-profile AC unit maintains interior comfort in blazing heat or chilling cold. Every inch is maximized for functionality, energy efficiency, and aerodynamic balance, so nothing slows you down on long journeys. Backside view. The rear is where adventure storage shines. An extra spare tire is firmly mounted for quick access during rough journeys. The cycle carrier, crafted with a heavy-duty locking mechanism, ensures your bike stays secure even on uneven trails. The taillights, with their sleek wraparound LED design, ensure visibility from all angles. A rear-mounted ladder gives easy access to the roof for maintenance or to reach your stored gear, proving this motorhome is always road-ready. Side view. From the side, the Rapido Dreamer is both functional and inviting. Its retractable side awning opens into a spacious outdoor lounge in minutes, creating shade for relaxing, cooking, or working outdoors. The tinted panoramic windows run along the side, offering stunning views from the interior while maintaining privacy. The side storage compartments are cleverly hidden, keeping tools and camping gear neatly tucked away without disrupting the smooth design. Driving compartment. Step inside the driving cabin, and it's clear Rapido has put thought into both comfort and control. The captain's chairs feature multi-level lumbar support and premium upholstery for fatigue-free travel. The dash-mounted infotainment system supports navigation, media, and smartphone integration. Two LED display screens add a layer of safety and convenience, one for high-definition rear-view monitoring, the other for navigation and system control. Even on long drives, this cabin keeps you focused, connected, and comfortable. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the driving compartment lies a multifunctional living space. The sofa-cum-bed quickly converts to a spacious sleeping platform, fitted with high-density cushions for better rest. Overhead storage cabinets offer room for bedding, books, and personal gear. Warm ambient LED lighting creates a cozy atmosphere, while wide side windows bring in natural light during the day. It's a relaxing zone designed for both day lounging and peaceful nights. Kitchen. The kitchen zone is compact yet cleverly designed to handle daily cooking needs. It includes a 2-burner gas stove, a compact refrigerator with a freezer section, a deep stainless steel sink, and multiple drawers for utensils and dry goods. The heat-resistant countertop doubles as extra workspace, and a fold-out extension adds even more prep area when needed. Positioned close to the sitting area, it keeps the space social while you cook. Washroom. The washroom is a masterclass in space efficiency. It houses a compact shower stall, a marine-grade toilet, and a small but deep sink. Built-in shelves keep toiletries organized, while a ventilation hatch with an exhaust fan ensures the space stays fresh. Despite its small footprint, it delivers everything needed for comfortable travel hygiene. Every fixture is built for durability to withstand years of road trips. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Rapido Dreamer motorhome, an off-road capable luxury home priced at $106,000. With its rugged 4x4 power, smart design, and full-featured interior, it's ready for any journey you can imagine. Whether it's weekend getaways or full-time van life, the Rapido Dreamer is a ticket to adventure. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.